Marlo's and Seneca's baking show. Seneca and Marlo baking show. Hi, welcome to Seneca Marlo baking show. Goodbye. Hey, this is half and half. And this is Oreo. Eggs. Crust and coconut flakes, cornstarch, salt and vanilla, and coconut milk, coconut whipped cream. First, Mom is going to blind bake the pie. So we have 4 eggs, and Marlo's going to dump in the cornstarch. So let me mix it. 1 cup of coconut milk.
Marlo, dump it.
Okay. Action. 1 cup of half and half. It's gonna be yummy, Sandra, right? Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. 2/3 cups of sugar. Mix. Ooh, it's gonna be yummy, Seneca. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mama cooked all of the ingredients. Now let's put in the pie crust. Now we're gonna put in the refrigerator. After chilling in the fridge for 3 hours, we're gonna put coconut whipped cream on the top. Wow. Thanks for watching our baking, so don't forget to click subscribe.